welcome to another video. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid to watch YouTube video, and right on your screen is a private Telegram channel. It's a private Telegram channel, and on this channel you can see right here there are tasks for you to do. Once you complete the task, you get paid into your PayPal account. Well, the money is small, about $1, just $1. But if you are from Nigeria or other countries that has low value for their currency, then $1 is much. In Nigeria, $1 is around 400 to 500 naira. So if this is what you are interested in, just go ahead. The tasks are quite simple. Ensure you stay with me to the end of this video because I'm going to reveal to you a tip. Alright, so right on this screen, I'm going to drop a link to this particular private channel. You'll find it in the description of this video. So once you come to this channel, all you need to do is just to follow the task that is being given to you. So you can see right here, you must watch the video and not skip forward. So once you watch the video, all you need to do is to comment something related to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification. So once you've done this 14, all you need to do is to take a screenshot. You understand? You take a screenshot of the beginning of the video. Then once you are done, you take a screenshot of the end of the video. So once you've done that, all you need to do is to come to this channel and click on this username right here. You can see this username right here. Just click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to a particular account, a particular Telegram account, where you submit those screenshots that you took. So once you submit those screenshots that you took, all that is left for you is to drop your PayPal email. If you don't have a PayPal email, if you have a friend who has a PayPal email, you can use your friend's PayPal email. But if you don't have a PayPal account, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account. Alright, so on this screen you can see there's a video I made a year ago on how to create a PayPal account. So I am going to drop a link to this video in the description. Ensure that you check the description out and use that link to follow the guide on how to create a PayPal account. So once you've done that, just send your PayPal email to this account on Telegram. Just send a PayPal email, a message to this account on Telegram. Let the person know that you've done all the tasks. Let me click on the video for you to see. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to this page like this. So right here, all you need to do is just to like. So just to like the video here. So once you click on this link, you like the video here. Then once you click on this link, you subscribe, and then you click on this icon here to turn on notification. Let me do it again. Let me unsubscribe so you can see how it is done. So you can see right here, all you need to do is to click on subscribe. You will see right here, subscribe. So once you subscribe, you click on subscribe, then you click on that bell icon and turn on notification to all. So right here, all you need to do is to screenshot this beginning. So once you are done watching the video, at this end, you screenshot it again, then you send it to that particular account right here. It's very simple for you to do, and you would wait for a reply. So once you get a reply, you are going to get paid $1 to your account. So guys, that's it about this video. Please, if you are interested in videos like this, ensure that you stay tuned to my channel by subscribing and turning on notification so that whenever I post videos, you'll be the first to get it. Don't forget to like this video and drop your comment in the comment section if you have ideas or any video ideas you want me to talk about. I'll see you in my next video. Be safe and bye.